PlanBoard software is a perfect tool for scheduling and coordination of tasks in your operation, where traditionally planning and scheduling occurs on a whiteboard, shared calendars, or spreadsheets. It provides a solution which systematizes this process and can be used in project management, maintenance planning, service, production, and shipping scheduling, to name a few. Here is an example of PlanBoard in action. Let's look at how PlanBoard can aid in maintenance planning. First, the maintenance manager can plan out his team's work week by dragging and dropping tasks from the backlog. PlanBoard allows him to assign how many hours a task will take and color code tag it for team member, making it very easy to see if enough time is available for the task. Now let's say a forklift has unexpectedly broken down and requires repair. The maintenance technician will have to spend all day fixing the equipment and is unable to fulfill all his daily tasks. PlanBoard makes it easy to document the repair and record how long it took. The easy of drag and drop feature allows to reallocate the remaining tasks with days that have more availability. The maintenance manager can also easily upload additional maintenance requests or tickets using bulk uploading from spreadsheets. With PlanBoard, you get better coordination, clarity, and result.